Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks for being here. Today we are here for present our discuss topic. Well, ladies and gentlemen, before we show our presentation, let me introduce our team. First is me who is speaking to you as moderator. My name is Joshua Agung Nur Cahyo. Second is Muhammad Zaka Zulkarnain as member. Third is Hermawan Wahyu Aji Wisnu Saputro as member. Fourth is Indah Mega Lestari as member. Fifth is Muhammad Mufti Asidiki as member. In this presentation, we are going to discuss about cloud computing. Without further ado, I would like to welcome the first speaker. Please Hermawan Wahyu Aji Wisnu Saputro.
Thanks to moderator. First, I would like to inform you about what is cloud computing. In terms of cloud computing, where the cloud is defined as the internet and computing, which is the defined as a computer or computing. As for the general definition of cloud computing is a combination of the use of computer technology in a network with internet-based development, which has the function of running program through computers that are connected at the same time, but not all computer connected via the internet as cloud computing. Cloud system is a technology that makes the internet a central server for managing data and user application. This technology allows user to run program with both having to install them first and make it easier for user to access their data via internet access.
Okay, thanks for Hermawan Wahyu Aji Wisnu Saputro, and for the second turn will be given by the second presenter. Please welcome Indah Mega Lestari.
This cloud computing technology makes the internet a central server in mining data. This system makes it easy for users to log into the internet in order to gain access to run programs or applications without having to install the application. Because there is no need to install the application, that the data stored media from the user is also stored virtual so that it will not be burdened with the use of memory on the computer. The commodities used by the user will the packets to the application the computer application server. After the commit is reviewed by the application server, the data will be processed. Within the end, the user will review a page that has been uploaded according to the command previous given. Example of cloud computing are Yahoo, Gmail, PDF, Google Drive. The command given is also the application will be directly integrated with the cloud computing system on the computer. User only need a an internet network to be able to run the application without the need for installation.
Thanks for Indah Megalestari, and that is how cloud computing works. Next is function and benefit of cloud computing and will be represented by Muhammad Zaka Zulkarnain.
There are many benefits that you can feel using a cloud computing service. For example, centralized storage media on server cloud computing technology. It makes easy for user to store data centrally and one server according to the service provided by cloud computing. In addition, in terms and infrastructure, user no longer need to provide it, such data center, storage media, which are available virtually by cloud computing. And the second, cloud computing have a provided data guarantees, so that data not easily corrupted and or damaged. Technology platform and ISO guarantees. Of course, cloud computing will make your data and information more secure than conventional method used by most people today. Cloud computing also cheaper and durable. Cloud computing does not require storage media on an external hard disk because there is already a centralized storage on media on the server. Because all hardware or physical product have a usage period, and after that period of use, there will usually be some damage and function not optimally, and error often occur. And cloud computing also have a large storage. When we build an information technology that everyone want to access, of course we need to prepare storage media to store all data and information in the memory. By using cloud computing, you don't need to worry about monitoring space and storage, because cloud computing has bigger and more dynamic storage according to data needs. Thank you.
Thanks for Muhammad Zaka Zulkarnain, and that is function and benefit of cloud computing. Next is type of cloud computing and will be represented by Muhammad Mufti Asidiki.
Thanks, moderator. Next is types of cloud computing. First, private cloud. Private cloud is use of cloud technology that is used only by one organization or company privately. The use of private cloud is widely used for business interaction, where cloud resources can be managed and operated only by the same organization or company. Second, community cloud. Community cloud is usually used for communities, institutions, or organizations. An example of a company that uses cloud computing is a business company that has a common global in each company. Cloud computing can be managed internally or by third parties as well as externally and internally, so that it can minimize payment costs that can be borne by both parties. Third, public cloud. Public cloud computing is a service that uses a public model so that anyone can access the service. This technology does not require a fee and is free. But if you pay a certain price, an example of a public cloud computing service is cloud computing, many of which are not paid or free, but some also pay a certain price. Here are some examples of public cloud, namely Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. Fourth, hybrid cloud. Hybrid cloud is a combination of private cloud and public cloud service, so that only certain institutions can apply this cloud service. Service of this type have B2B, business to business, or B2C, business to customer interaction. Hybrid cloud can also be used in computation bound together, but with a different cloud. And that is type of cloud computing. Now I will give the floor for moderator. Thank you.
Thanks Muhammad Mufti Asidiki, and thanks you all are the presenters. Well, ladies and gentlemen, now we are come to the opinion, question and answer session. Now if you guys have any question in mind, please comment down below so we could answer it. Ladies and gentlemen, finally we are come to the last agenda. We would like to say thanks again for the presenter and all of the audience for active participation. The conclusion of presentation to do is data is the most important thing in a company as well as your personal data. To keep your data safe and secure or maybe not being stolen is using cloud computing. Cloud computing is a combination of the use of computer technology in a network with internet-based development which has the function of running programs through computers that are connected at the same time. But not all computers connected via the internet use cloud computing. This cloud computing technology makes the internet a central server in managing data. The system makes it easy for users to log into the internet in order to gain access data to run program or application without having to install the application. There is many functions and benefits that we can get from using cloud computing technology, like bigger data space, better security, faster and easier data recovery than on-premise system. Hopefully, the presentation will give benefit for us. Thanks for your attention and have a great day.